Welcome back to Ride JBI. This is JB. Today we finished doing a fork revalve on a 2021 GasGas EX350. These forks feature the KYB SSS conversion kit. This kit was originally installed by the Ride Shop in Arizona, and I believe it is this company that started off with this KYB kit conversion back around 2016, I think, when the WP4CS forks came out and were getting less than good reviews. And the Ride Shop in AZ was very proactive on figuring out a solution to replace the 4CS internals. As you can see, the OEM lug is still being used. They utilize some modifications inside of the lug in order for this cartridge system to fit. All the other KYB conversions you have seen from Ride JBI feature new billet lugs, and the rebound adjuster does not protrude from the axle lug as it does here. These forks are revalved to our JBI suspension soft moto / off-road setting. New springs were utilized to match the rider's weight as well. All JBI suspension services and parts can be found at ridejbi.com.